أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي ربنا زدنا علما ربنا زدنا علما ربنا زدنا علما اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما اللهم لا سهل إلا ما جعلته سهلا وأنت تجعل الحزن إذا شئت سهلا. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, my dear brothers and sisters in Islam. How are you all? Hope you all are doing well and good. Kindly make use of the chat box to reply to my questions, inshallah. Let it be an interactive session, dear sisters and brothers here. Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. May Allah bless you more in it. Alhamdulillah, barakallahu feek. Alhamdulillah, dear sisters and brothers, we are into the day 8 of this video editing course. Almost half of the course days have passed by, right? Alhamdulillah. So time flies by so fast, right? So Alhamdulillah, we are into the day 8 of the course and we have learned very, very important skills of video editing. Alhamdulillah, I have been just looking into your homeworks. The green screen effect that was being taught in yesterday's class has taken your video editing to another level, right? MashaAllah, I found all of your works such excellently put up, MashaAllah. Barakallahu feeki, dear sisters and brothers here. You have submitted the best homework, Alhamdulillah. So with the spirit to learn more in today's class, let's begin with an intention to use this skill, use this ability of ours just for the sake of Allah, to serve the deen of Allah and not against the deen of Allah, inshallah. And also let us make a niyyah that we are going to please Allah through this, inshallah. We are going to serve the deen of Allah through this, inshallah. So make a niyyah before we begin, inshallah, so that Allah puts barakah in our effort, in our time, as well as in our knowledge or the skill that we are seeking. So let's continue this journey of being productive with our smartphones with the name of Allah. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. And I want you all to seek the help of Almighty Allah, because without His help we are nothing, right? So Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. And inshallah, I'll just give you a quick lesson recap, whatever we had gone through in learned in yesterday's class. Kindly let me know what we had learned in yesterday's class in the chat box. Come on, dear sisters and brothers, type in the chat box a quick lesson recap so that whoever were absent for yesterday's class can just make it up now, inshallah. Come on, please type in the chat box whatever we had discussed in yesterday's class. That was an important session. We had learned something about the green screen, right? What was the thing that was used in yesterday's class? The main key that was used in yesterday's class, dear sisters and brothers, the main tool that we say. What was it? Come on, please type in the chat box. Let it be an interactive session, inshallah. Yes? Alhamdulillah, I just received a message in the chat box. Yes, it was a chroma key, the green screen effect, right? Did you all make use of this? Did you all find it interesting to use this? Yes, you can create a wondrous content to this, right? Yes, your editing has gone to another level, mashallah. I just found out so many ways you had edited your content, your homeworks in, right? MashaAllah, alhamdulillah, it was an excellent work. Barakallahu feeki, dear sisters and brothers. How did you make use of chroma key? Can you please tell? What was the main concept in the chroma key that you all have to insert? What is a green screen itself? Can you all tell me what is a green screen? What is a green screen videos or something like that? What is it? The editors nowadays make use of the green screen at the behind, and they just have a content there. A content created there. What they do is they just put that video into the video editor, and they just key out the what do they do? Key out the green screen from it. Okay, if they put the blue screen or something else from the green screen, that is called as a chroma. So the name chroma key comes into picture. Fine. Why is a chroma used? It's apart from green, if you have another color, any other color to remove from the background, then you say it as a chroma. So we have something called the chroma key. But you know, green screen, why they prefer green screen is because it gives an accurate result, dear sisters and brothers. Just remember this important concept. If you have a green screen in the background, it will be very accurately you will get this keyed out. You will accurately get this green screen keyed out. Fine. Understood? Any doubts in the green screen thing that we discussed in yesterday's class? Inshallah, in today's class, we are going to discuss more of the green screen contents itself. Okay, do not worry if you have not understood in yesterday's class. Fine. So, Sister Masuda, yes, green background as it has high accuracy. Yes, yes, Sister, Alhamdulillah. So, no doubts, mashallah, barakallahu fiki. Okay, that's great. Okay, green screen chroma key, Alhamdulillah. So what more in yesterday's class? What more did we discuss in yesterday's class, dear sisters and brothers? It was something regarding the masking, right? Do you all remember what did we make use of masking? Why did we make use of masking or something called as a cropping? Yes, please type in the chat box to make our make a logo into round shape or some shapes. If you want, we want to add some shapes. We just made use of something called as a cropping, and over there we applied something called as a masking as well as the feathers to it, right? Why was a feather used? Just to yes, we had to crop, yes, assign the shapes. You can assign the shape for the logo. Why was a feather used? To lighten the background. Excellent, dear sisters and brothers. Yes, mashallah, barakallahu fiki. So then we had something called as a layers. In the layer, we had studied about the media, right? Media, we were discussing only about the photo media, and also, alhamdulillah, we were discussing a video media as well. Inshallah, in today's class, we'll go in depth regarding this green screen effects. Fine. A green screen effect will be dealt again in today's class. Whoever has not understood in yesterday's class, inshallah, they will understand it today in today's class. Fine. Do not worry if you did not understand in yesterday's class. Okay. So then what we had something called as there was something called as, what was it called, dear sisters and brothers? Can you please tell me? There was something called as corner pin. Do you all remember that? If you do not worry, we can do this with the pan and zoom option itself. If you're not having your KineMaster, do not worry. Few of the sisters have texted me that they do not have the corner pin. If you do not have the corner pin, then there's no issue, okay? Because you have some other tools that are available in place of corner pin. Fine. So we can just make use of all of that. So corner pin, why does it work? How does this corner pin work? If there is something like this a screen with a shape that is not defined, and our video is a square shaped, right, or rectangle shape, how to just spin it with that screen? Just make it in this way, right? You have to adjust easy adjustment. To give an easy adjustment, we make use of the corner pin, dear sisters and brothers. So in today's class, we are going to go in depth to this topic, inshallah. Again, the green screen effect, because this takes a lot of time, and this is not just the beginning concept that you have learned in yesterday's class. It is the advanced level concept. You know, in the Hollywood industry, this is the trend nowadays, right? You all know this. The green screen thing is a trend nowadays. How do they make such a movies like Jurassic World and more? What they do is they just put up the green screen behind. Yes, the thing that is green screen, that is in the VFX industry, in the Hollywood industry, and everything they are using this. Fine. So this is available in the KineMaster, and you can make use of this wondrously, inshallah. So I'll just let you know those techniques and tactics that we can make use of while using the green screen and more, inshallah. So yesterday's homework was submitted excellently. Barakallahu feek, dear sisters and brothers here. Alhamdulillah, you all have learned so well. Barakallahu feek. So I want you all to be ready again with the two devices. One device is not sufficient for you all. Please be ready with the two devices so that you will practice live in the class along with me, so that you won't forget it when you are doing the homework. Okay, so remember this. You should have two devices. If you do not have two devices, then that's fine. But try to have two devices with you. Fine. One to listen to the class, one to just do along with me, practice along with me. Fine. So this is a skill that you are learning. You need lots and lots of practice. Without practice, you cannot achieve the pro level. Fine. Because this is a skill, and this is not just the studies or something like that. You have to practice to become a pro in this. Okay. Only practice can make you pro. Not just attending the 16 days and you have become a pro. No, you cannot be a pro level editor unless and until you just give it a practice. Make tens and thousands of videos. But after making such tens and thousands of videos, alhamdulillah, I say that I can professionally edit any content. So I think almost till now I have edited at least 2,000 videos. I can say that. So I want you all to attain such a professionalism only after the continuous practice with your videos. Now, alhamdulillah, dear sisters and brothers, the content that we used to take 5 hours to edit, I can just take 15 to 20 minutes to edit that content. You must know some tricks and tactics so that you will be able to edit such a content, inshallah, such a great content. I want you all to be very professional in your content and very what we say, very creative while creating your content. You're not just creating the content, you are creating an emotion, you're putting up an emotion. It touches the hearts of people. Do you not all see that when a Quran video is placed, when it is played, we just see the background, we just look into that video and we feel something, right? The audio itself, it is appealing for us. The Quranic recitation itself is appealing, but when it is followed with a background, such a great background, it really touches the hearts, right? So how is it you weaved most of the time? How is it weaved as such? How does the video gets weaved millions of weaves? It is nothing but it's just isnallah biiznillah. But what is it? But you all have to be more creative in your content. Yes, dear sisters, you have to be very creative in your content, and also you have to see such that it appeals the user. It is a striking video that you put up, and inshallah you will gain the level of professionalism with the practice. Okay, so come on, with this intention to learn more, with this intention to learn something for the sake of Allah, let's begin. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. I want you all to practice along with me. Come on, be ready with your KineMaster open. Bismillah. I want you all to switch off the videos, dear sisters and brothers, please. Yesterday someone's video was on. I want you all to please switch off the videos. Make sure all of your videos are switched off. Fine, inshallah. So let me just start off with the screen sharing. I want you all to keep your KineMaster open. Open up your KineMaster, keep it ready for the class. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillah, by now you must have been very, very familiar with this app, right, dear sisters and brothers? Are you all familiar with this app? Yes, Alhamdulillah. Come on, let's begin. Bismillah. Let's start with a new project. I'll just share some few of the things with you all, dear sisters and brothers. Kindly download it from the from your WhatsApp group. Okay, it will be in the WhatsApp group now. I want you all to download this videos. Fine. Okay. Hope you all have received it. I want you all to download it now. Okay. We'll make use of all of these videos to make a creative content, inshallah. Come on, are you all ready with this? Recording in progress. Okay, alhamdulillah, dear sisters and brothers here. Okay. So all you have you all downloaded the videos that I've just now sent on the WhatsApp? Type yes. Yes, alhamdulillah, dear sisters and brothers. Okay, choose any aspect ratio for now. Let me just choose 6:9, dear sisters and brothers. Okay, you can just assign any of the project name. We are doing the green screen content. Assign it as a green screen thing or something like that. Fine. Okay, start with the creation of the project. Start with the create project. Bismillah. Okay. Okay, alhamdulillah. So it just arrives at the media browser. Okay, so now let me just put up any of the screen at the background. So let me just give a black background. What do you all prefer? What do we prefer? I say it is nothing but a black background, black thing at a background or something like that. Whatever you want, you can just whatever you like, you can just start off with that. Fine. So this is a black background that I have put up. Okay, I'll just go with the yesterday's homework. Fine. How did you all do the yesterday's homework? How did you all do it? Do you all remember how did you? You went to the layers, made use of this WhatsApp images, right? What I sent, put it up on as a layer, right? Put it up as a layer. It was inserted like this. Fine. And then there's something that you all have to zoom this up, right? You have to fit this to the screen. Fine. And then what else did we do? How to remove the green screen? Come on, please tell me how to remove the green screen from this image. Chroma key. Yes. Enabling it up. Then what are you going to do? Key color is green here, so it is enabled. Let it be. green. Fine. Now I'll show you something, dear sisters and brothers, apart from green color, what you can use. Fine. Just do with this. Come on. I want you all to just do take your own images or something like that. Okay. For example, I'll take an image like this. Okay. So I have something Bismillahirrahmanirrahim here. Okay. Okay, this I have just extracted it from the Google. Now you can just go to the Google and take any of the images, Bismillah or something like this. Okay, take this and just take a snapshot, screenshot of it, and crop it up and put it on your this one. Now, what is the background here, dear sisters and brothers? Which color is in the background? Is it white? Yes. Can you just key out the green? No, for this one, dear sister. For this one. For this Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is the pic that I have just googled it up, and yes, this is a white background that we have. This is a brown thing that is written, white background we have, and I have not extracted PNG image. Okay, what is a PNG image? I want to just tell you what is a PNG is nothing but something that does not have a background with it is called as a PNG image. For example, we download the PNG image, we make use of PNG images instead of doing this work for removing the background or something like that. We actually download the PNG content for making the editings. Fine. For example, I'll show you some examples. This Bismillahirrahmanirrahim has, I'll just show you something. Okay, this one. Okay, this logo that I've just showed you, that is here, this is a PNG logo. Why is it so? Because it does not have any background. Can you just see? Can you all just see what is a PNG and what is the difference between PNG and JPG? This is a JPG image with the JPEG image. It has a background in it. This is a PNG image, and this is a PNG image, .png with the extension .png, and it does not have any background with it. Fine. Can you just see? Can you all just see? Okay, I'll show you more of it inshallah in upcoming sessions. While we are going to edit the Quranic recitation videos, you will be having excellent content to edit. Okay, so we will start off with the training sessions in just 1 or 2 days. Fine, do not worry. Inshallah, over there we will be discussing from where you're going to extract the Quranic recitation videos, audios, or the ayahs or something as such. Okay, we will be discussing everything in detail. Now I'm just telling you the difference between PNG and JPG. This is a PNG image without the background, just without the background. Now I want to convert this Bismillahirrahmanirrahim into this one, into a PNG format. How can I convert this? Can we make use of chroma key, sisters and brothers? Can you all just give it a try? Come on. Go to the Google, type Bismillah, take any image, save that image and just put it up here. And now you're going to remove the background from that Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. How to remove that? Try it out with the chroma key. What did I say you? It works accurate with the green screen. Remember one thing, important thing. It works accurate with the green screen. Now, what is the key color that you have to key out? Come on, tell me what is the key color that you have to key out? Which is the color that you have to key out? Please type. White color. Yes, excellent. White color you have to key out. Click on the white color and click on the right button. Now, everything has been keyed out. Just toggle this up in such a way that you will get this one, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. That was something in the brownish color. Did you all just not see? We have removed the background and we just have Bismillahirrahmanirrahim with us. See how excellently we did this, right? Because this is a lightish color, it is not being visible correctly. But I'll just show you how this is so beautifully visible. I'll just delete this. Now, isn't this like this PNG format? So this is how you actually key out the color. This is called as a green screen effect, or it is called as a chroma key. Why is it called as a chroma key? Because it is used with some other color, right? So it is used, so the chroma key word is used, or else they would have used green screen key or something like that. See here. Isn't it looking beautiful? What did we do? This, how was this image? Can you all please tell me how this image was? It had brownishly written Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and white in the background. So to remove that, undo it and show you how it was and how did we create from that. Okay, so this was our PNG logo. Let me just delete it. Have you understood the difference between PNG and image? PNG is nothing but do not have anything in the background. So to convert your logos into the PNG, you just can make use of this green screen or chroma key. Fine, this is not a green screen key, this is a chroma key because you had a white background behind and not the some other background. Fine, so this was the image that we had converted the image with the white screen and the background into this. Fine, this was the image that we had. Okay, this was the image and this was the converted image. Fine, we have just removed the brown thing from there, brown colored Bismillahirrahmanirrahim from there. That's all. See how beautifully it is being removed. And now you can place it anywhere without even just looking at what background you have or something like that. So you do not have any background here. Now you can make any of the changes. For example, now you want to make this content Bismillahirrahmanirrahim into different colors. What would you do now? Can you just give some options like blending, adjustments, and something more? Yes, you can do it, dear sisters and brothers. Give it a try. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Come on, try it out. Give it all a try. See here, now you can just convert it into the white content or something like that. Give the hard light, give the pin light, give them hard mix. You can just convert this asset. See, the Phoenix has converted it excellently, right? Now it has made it into something blue. You can make it in this way. See why were this blending options, adjustment options useful? This is the reason why it was useful. Fine, dear sisters and brothers. Now see here, I have just reduced the brightness and it has been converted into the white color. That's great now, right? So you can just change the colors of the content within just a second. Fine. See, it was in the blue, brown color. Now it is white color. Have you all understood how we can access anything and everything? If you are finding any image very interesting, very great, just copy it up here, remove the background of it, change the colors and put it up as such. Have you all understood this? Type yes if you all have understood and you all are finding it excellent to edit. Alhamdulillah. Please do it along with me, dear sisters and brothers. I want you all to just learn this beautiful technique of doing removing the green screen and more. This is an advanced editing tool. Fine. I want you all to learn this aspects, inshallah. So let me just show you with something like this. Okay, for example, this is the image that I liked from the social media. I just brought up here. Okay, I'll just delete all of the things that were apart from this. Fine, dear sisters. I just want to show you how you can extract this text. You like this text and you want to put this text here. I'll delete everything else from the background now. Okay, now you are too lazy to write everything now. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad. You do not want to write it here by using the text option or something. You just copied this from the internet. You just download it from the internet. Now what you all have to do, put it up here. Go to the chroma key. See how excellently it works. You all know how excellently it works. Enable the chroma key. Now please tell me what is the thing that you have to key out. What should you key out? Which color should you key out? Please type. White, yes, excellently, mashallah, dear sisters and brothers, you all have understood it so well. Now toggle this up in such a way that you will just get the Allahumma salli ala Muhammad, the text written. Come on, toggle it up in such a way that sometime it won't work accurately. I have already told green screen works best, not other things. But inshallah it will work. It will work, okay? Come on, give it a try, give it a try. See, it's working. Okay, this much is fine probably. Okay, this much is fine. Then what we have to do? Let me just increase its contrast. Let me just edit it so well that it seems best to look into. See here, you just give more contrast to it, and also the saturation. Keep the vibrance better. Make the temperature better. See, you can just create a wonderful thing out of it, right? So this is how you actually do it. And you also had to do something with the chroma key. You can make it more better, fine? More better, like all of the tashdid and more should be more visible, right? See here, now it is all fine, dear sisters and brothers. Come on. Did you all check with this? Understood how you're all doing it? Alhamdulillah. Hope you all have understood it excellently, right? It is nothing but you're removing the background from any of the images or something like that, okay? Fine. This is the thing that I have to teach you today. And one more thing, we are now dealing with the videos. Fine. Yesterday we dealt with a photo. A photo we have removed the green screen, and then we have put up a video, right? Let me just put up any video here and show you how we made it yesterday's video. Fine. How did we make yesterday's video? Do you all remember that? Someone said they do not have corner pin. If you do not have corner pin, please don't worry, dear sisters and brothers. I'll show you another technique how you're going to do that. Fine. So this is what we have. For example, this was the video. Probably I gave you another video that we had created. So that was the video. So this is the video now. To put it somewhere inside the background, put it here. Okay, put it here and click on the 3-dot option. Send it back. Send to back. And now see how beautifully you have edited it. You have just made it look like it is inside this laptop screen or the photo screen, right, dear sisters and brothers? Okay, alhamdulillah. We have pan and zoom in layers also. We have pan and zoom in layers also, but the word pan and zoom is not available. The cropping is available there. Fine. You just can crop it up in any manner you want. Fine, fine. I'll show you with the videos, dear sisters or brothers here. Inshallah, you'll understand better. Now let me just delete all of it. We are gonna show with the videos now. Fine. Okay. Now put up any of the base. Let me just put up any of the base. Let me delete this. I'm putting up any of the base. Yesterday, I just shared a link with a background videos. Probably it was retrieved again. I'll just share it today again, inshallah. I want you all to just download some of the background videos so that it will be useful for you all to edit content further, inshallah. So let me just add up any of the content. So let it be this one. Okay, I've added a base video here. Fine, this is being added up. Just a moment. Okay, I have added a base video. This is here. Let me just, okay, trim left. You can edit excellent contents with the with your own content with the green screen effect that has been taught. Come on, start creating your own content, dear sisters and brothers, inshallah. I have sent few of the videos. I hope you all have downloaded it. Come on, start off with the layer media, and I want you all to just start with the, okay, what you want to use. There's a dinosaur video. Come on, put it up there. Put it up there. Please make use of that layer now. The layer as a video. Okay, let me just place it here. Fine. I want you all to just make use of the green screen now and see how this looks now. Come on, make use of the green screen. Chroma key, where is it? Chroma key. Click on the chroma key, enable it up, remove the green screen. Now place this dinosaur anywhere. Does it not look so realistic, dear sisters and brothers? Play it up and see how it looks now. It looks wow, right? Yes, now play it up and see. This is the trend nowadays in the Indian media industry that is being taught here. I want you all to just make use of this. This will be very, very much helpful. You know, I recently, what I did was, I had just edited a video with my nephew with this. There was something like frightening scene he had to do, and then I just edited a video. It was such an excellent copy that it was. I just was shocked. How can I create such a wondrous content with just using this chroma key? Fine. So I want you all to just make use of this. Be more creative. Inshallah, you can create wondrous content with this. And also, there is something called as an animation. I'll show you inshallah in next class, upcoming classes. You can animate this one. Starting from here, he'll come. He'll just move to this position. He's walking throughout this, and he's moving out of the screen. I can show you that inshallah in upcoming sessions. But now, please bear with me. You just have to digest this one now. For now, the green screen content. Okay, most of you were finding it difficult yesterday while doing. Alhamdulillah, most of you have sent excellent copies of it. Barakallahu fiki, dear sisters and brothers. Okay, so make use of all of the content that I have sent and do create your own videos, dear sisters and brothers. Have you all downloaded whatever I had sent in the WhatsApp? I had also sent with the pigeons moving around this one. Can you all just do it? See how it looks now. Can you just see? Okay, this looks better with the animation. I'll just show it in the next class. For now, it is not required. Fine. Okay, then again, put on the layer, switch on the layer, go to the media, go to the WhatsApp audios, WhatsApp videos, whatever I had sent. Let me just place this pigeons in this image. Okay, add this pigeons on this image. Come on. Okay. So you can just crop it. You know how to trim and trim right and trim left, right? Whichever is not required, remove that content. Okay, come on. So it is still here. Let me just remove the trim left of this. And we can also crop. There is their logo here. Someone has placed the logo on that. So you just can remove by cropping it up, right, dear sisters and brothers? Someone asked me why is the pan and zoom not available. Cropping is available here. Pan and zoom is not at all required. Fine. Pan and zoom is not at all required. And also one more thing, there is an animation available for the keyframes. So pan and zoom is not required, dear sisters or brothers. Fine. Remember this important aspect. There is an animation available for layers only. And also important thing, green screen is available for layers only. Please type green screen is available for layers only. You have to remember this. Yesterday someone was trying out with the video and telling me I cannot find the chroma key. Dear sisters and brothers, please listen to the class carefully. So these sessions are very important for you all to just grasp each and every aspect. Fine. So remember, the chroma key is available for the layers only. Fine. Why was the layer explained at the end? This is the reason why it was explained towards the end, because I wanted to you all to be very familiar with the other aspects and then get into the chroma key concept. So now just see how beautifully this appears, dear sisters and brothers. Yes, important aspect, chroma key is available for layers only. Every student, please remember this. Doesn't it look beautiful? Doesn't it seem like it is coming into the background, into the screen without being inserted? It was already available there. It is like that, right? Okay. See the pigeon that is moving behind. Yes, it's beautiful. So this is the key content that you are using, okay? And make use of the toggling buttons there to give it a fit, what we say, perfect look, okay? You have to do this because there's something green available already there. And just make use of this two toggle buttons, toggle it up and just make a beautiful content, inshallah. Hope you're finding it great to go with, right? Are you all doing it? Yes. Can I get a yes? Yes for everyone has understood this. Please type yes if everyone has understood. I want 15 yes now, please. This is the main reason why I'm repeating this, because I had received so many doubts regarding this, dear sisters and brothers. Okay, kindly type yes if you all have understood how to do this. And I want you all to be doing any 1 to 2 videos now. Alhamdulillah, dear sisters and brothers. Barakallahu fiki. So this is the thing that we had created. Fine. Let me just delete it off and I'll show you the few more aspects that we are going to start off with the layers. Fine. Okay. I'll just delete it off. Let me just delete this. Okay. Okay, one more thing, there was another doubt. So how many layers can I insert? It is totally based on the compatibility of your device, okay? You can insert n number of layers, but it is based on the compatibility of your device. Some devices will accept only 4 layers or something like that. After 4 layers, it will just stop or something like that. Oh, so there is something called as, in the settings, there is something called as how many layers you want. You can just keep as infinite layers, okay? Or something like that, more layers or something like that. And the settings, you can just make that adjustments. Now there is a setting behind, I'll just show you later, inshallah. But for now, remember that you can insert any number of layers, but some devices do not offer usage of the much layers. Fine. So that was it for today's class. It was nothing but about the green screen. This was about the green screen effects. Fine. And one more thing, dear sisters and brothers, I wanted to teach you all about the social media icon videos. Please, so some of the students were inserting at the start of the video, end of the video, or something like that. I want to tell you why this social media icon videos are used. Why are these used, dear sisters and brothers? Can you please tell me why these social icons are used? To promote your channels, right? For example, you have created a content, you will put this somewhere in the middle. You have to put your logo, you have to put that subscribe my channel, like this, right? Do you all know this? All of the content creators make use of this, correct? Please type yes if you all know why this social media icons are used. Why is this used, dear sisters and brothers? To promote your content, right? To promote your content, to advertise your content. Why do they use this? They use it everywhere in the video. For example, they use it at every 5 to 10 minutes. Yes, every 5 to 10 minutes, every 2 to 3 minutes they use this. What you have to do, you just not have to insert it like this. What you have to do is you have to remove the green screen out of it and you have to insert this content. Fine. Go to the chroma key, enable this chroma key, and see here just the subscribe button will appear. For me, while I'm creating the content, what I do is I make use of the social media icon videos. So how I create the content is I'll just go to the layers. Yes, so that others don't use their content. Yes, this is also the main reason, dear sister, so that others won't use the content as well. For example, this is the content that I have created for some other channels. Okay, this is their website. That what I do is I put a green screen behind it, and I just make use of this. I created once. Okay, I just created for once, and then for n number of times I can make use of this social media icon. Fine. So what I do, I just go to the chroma key and just switch it on, and this will be out. The green screen will be keyed out, and I place it everywhere. Now what happens? This will be played out, right? This will be played. This video is being played n number of times. I can play this n number of times in one video. Correct, dear sisters and brothers? Are you all understanding this concept? How and why we are using this? Fine. So this is how we make use of this content. If you are going to create something with the green screen, I have taught you this. But if you want to have the green screen content, you can just download it from the YouTube. Okay. The content that I have just shared on the WhatsApp videos, you can just download it from the YouTube. It is present everywhere on the YouTube. Find your sisters and brothers. I'll tell you where some of the sites that offers you the green screen content. For example, such green screen content like this one, like this, the fire related content, the birds related content, and also the Islamic content. So much of Islamic content. It is available on i4 edits. Kindly just remember this or note this down, please. Okay, please note this down. i4 edits. Okay, it's kind of probably all the Islamic videos for the content creation. Green screen videos are here on i4 edits. Okay, please visit this channel, i4 edits. They offer you all of the graphically designed contents for the green screen. You just have to put up there and you have to just create your own content. Okay, so this will be explained in detail when you are going to training sessions, and we are starting off with the intro, how to create your own intro for your business handles, for your business logos, and more for your business, how you are going to create the intros, how you're going to create the extras and all. We are going to discuss this again. Okay, for now, for this green screen effect, this much is enough. Fine, inshallah, we're going to discuss all of that. Kindly bear, inshallah. You will be learning in next 8 days, inshallah. Do not worry. Fine. So this was about the green screen. And also one more thing, for the green screen, for the review of the products and more, you probably have seen most of them creating the review of the products. What they do is they place the product, they open the Amazon product or the Flipkart product, and they just what they do is they make use of the green screen behind, and they put up some box and they open it up with their own hands or something like that. What they do is they put it on the editor. They just actually captured the video, right? Now they put it on the video editor, remove the key out the green screen, and put a new background to it. That's all. Okay, put a beautiful background to it. That's all. Fine. So this is how actually this is done. So next thing, I just want to show you with another thing. For example, okay, there was another video. Probably have you all made use of the this video? Someone with a mobile phone, come on, make use of this video with the 10 seconds. Make use of this video. Try out with this video, dear sisters and brothers. How to key out this green screen? Come on. Please type, please repeat. How to key out the green screen of this? What is the key that you're going to use? Chroma key. Come on. Tell me the process. Chroma key. After the chroma key, what are you going to use? Click on enable. Click on enable. Make this one opaque, and green screen key color is very important, right? Without green screen key color, you won't get a green screen. Yes, key color is very important. Then you have to toggle this up such that you will have a transparent background at the green part and the opaque background else. So toggle this up in such a way that you get the excellent content, inshallah. So this is how you do it. If possible, just try it out, or inshallah we'll just head on to the next part of the layers. Fine. So we have something called as the stickers in the layer. Fine. So we'll just be discussing that now, and inshallah we'll just leave this green screen for now. Fine, because we are going to enter with the green screen in upcoming sessions again. Okay, inshallah in tomorrow's class we are going to discuss with the green screen again, but for now you all have to learn some more layers. Fine. Very important layers. The text layer is very important. That will be discussed in tomorrow's class. We'll just start off with the other layers, and then we will get back to the text layer in tomorrow's class. Fine. Tomorrow we'll be dealing with entirely with the text layer. Fine. So now we're gonna discuss about something known as the effect layer. Can you all please give it a try, dear sisters and brothers? Come on, start off with it. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Are you all doing it along with me? Come on, go to the effects. Click on the effects and see what this effects look like. This gives you advanced effects. Fine. I want you all to download it from the asset store. Come on, go to the asset store and download some of the effects. Fine. See, these are the very beautiful effects that you have. The effects that you have. You will also be having something like what we say VFX effects or something like, just go and search for it, dear sisters and brothers. You have such a great content there, retro effects and more. Okay, I want you all to just download the effects now. Come on, are you all downloading it along with me? The effects that you can give to your videos. This is nothing but what it does it, the clip graphics. What is the difference between clip graphics and effects is, if you download the clip graphics, it will be given to the base video, fine. When you download the effects, it will be taken as a layer, dear sisters and brothers. Remember this. Why is this used? It is taken as a layer, fine. Why is the effects used here, dear sisters and brothers? Please type. Because we are gonna create a separate layer of effects, fine. Understood? If you want to blur out some things, for example, you do not like something in the content. If you want to blur out something, go to the effects and blur out it by taking a layer, fine. For example, masking up, lens. Come on, please download it, okay? Yes, it is taken as a separate layer. See here how beautiful content you can create, okay? I'm just showing you how beautifully you can just design, inshallah. I want you all to download this, especially a voice like to edit such content like this. Like, for example, the light flare effects and more. These are very, very essential whenever you're going to edit for the videos, like for the videos of men in it or something like that, people in it. Okay, so you all can just make use of this content. So chalo, I hope everyone has downloaded the content that you want to create, fine. You want to see, inshallah. Come on, this is done. Now it will appear on the effects, right? Yes. Now what you have to do is, you have to just insert this. Come on, chromatic glitch. Let me just insert it. Okay, it is now inserted as a layer, dear sisters and brothers. Okay, now this is a layer that we have. Okay, this is a layer. See here how much is a layer. You can just place it how much ever you want. Okay, if you want to place it for this small group of this one, for this much only, if you want, you can just place it for this much. Understood? Have you all understood why is this effect used? Because in the previous thing, in the clip graphics, what we had was, it was applied to the entire video, correct? Have you all understood this correctly? Why is this? It is placed as a layer. The effect is placed as a layer. If you want to just give a glitch here on one part, and you do not want this one, for example, the KineMaster logo that you all have seen appearing, you just can go and place this on that, or something like this one on that. Or in this way, you can just make use of, for example, tile array. For example, there's some graphic content that you don't want to show. Oh, so you make use of something like blurring of the screen. Wait, here, there's something called as a blurring. Go and check all of these and see how this beautifully works. Fine. Basic effects is blur. Okay. What some graphic contents on YouTubers or Instagram do? They apply this one. Correct? They apply this Gaussian blur. But this one is not fine. So make use of mosaic blur. Mosaic blur is a bit thicker than this one. Gaussian blur. You also can edit this one. You can also increase this opacity. Go to the back option. Fine. Go to the back option. You will have this one. See here, dear sisters and brothers. You will have so many. You can in-animate this. You can out-animate it. You can just overall animate this, or also you can give shapes to this. You can give shapes to this effects that you're applying. Fine. And also you can increase opacity, increase and decrease opacity, how much ever you want. Fine. Please give this a try. This is an excellent layer that you have. Fine. And also you can replace this layer with something else. For example, I want something flashing there. See, I can just create a flashing effect there. This is so beautiful. Come on. I think I have decreased the opacity, so it is not showing it properly. Let me just go back and increase the opacity of the layer. How to increase opacity? You all know what is alpha opacity, right? Increase it to the 100%. Now just play it up and see how it looks. So this effect didn't give the most. See here, this is a flashing thing that has appeared. Okay, you can just give it to whatever part you want. Okay, if you wanted to just show it for this first one, or you can rotate it and show. For example, for this one, if you want in the horizontal manner, keep it here and just flash it up and show. See here how you can just flash it up and show in this way, or something like any way you can just do it. Okay, for example, you want this video to appear in a flashing manner. Okay, for example, just keep it in this way. These effects are excellently used, dear sisters and brothers. If you want to just flash this video and appear on the screen, you can just give to the particular thing. For example, if you're giving it to the start of the video, flash it and appear. It is nothing but you are flashing the screen and making it appear. See here, it is this beautiful thing that you have created. Then the video appears as such. And if you want to keep this effect throughout, you can just keep it effect throughout. Okay, and also you can just replace this effect with something else. Let me just show whatever effect, something masked up. You can mask this entire thing. You can mask this entire thing in this way, entire thing inside the rectangle. Okay, do give it a try, dear sisters and brothers. This looks excellent. Fine. And also there's an effect called zooming. See, it beautifully zooms your this one and gets you to the video. Fine. See here. You can just place this effect for how many durations, how much ever duration you want. For example, let me just place it for the 2 seconds. For 2 seconds, what happens is it zooms up and it will make this video appear excellently. Now see how beautiful it is. Have you all understood why is this FX used? This is a very advanced tool. The layer concept itself is an advanced. Fine. Everything in the layers is advanced tools that are appearing here. Fine, dear sisters and brothers. So we have discussed this so lately because I wanted you all to absorb all the topics that were previously done and then move on to this topic. Fine. Hope you all have understood what is layer, right? What is a layer and what more is it about the everything that is mentioned here, alhamdulillah. So just see how this light flare works. Light flare also works excellently when you're photoshopping your own photos or something like that, when you're making use of the video editing for your own photos like that, this light flares and more appears excellently. Fine. I think its properties are not fine here. Probably it needs some more duration. Okay, just see how it works with your own KineMasters and more. Okay, I want you all to just make use of each and every aspect in the KineMaster that is available. Fine, inshallah, as to create the excellent videos. And there are some properties, how much shape you can give, how much size you can give. It's all here, how much strength it should have, how much colored RGB. This is the strength that you can assign to it. You can assign the density to it. You can assign the color to this. You can just make use of all of this property, and also you can replace it up with any of the effects that you want. Okay, for today's class, inshallah, this will be the homework. I will send you a green screen video, inshallah, and then you all have to, inshallah, convert that video. You have to key out the green screen color from that video and insert the videos that I'll give, inshallah, as a homework, and also insert some effects to it, inshallah. And also there is something called as the stickers, text, and handwriting. This will be discussed in tomorrow's class, and inshallah after tomorrow we are going to discuss about something called as an important concept known as animation key. Where would you find that animation key and more? And then we are heading on to the training sessions, inshallah. So this was a class for today. I want you all to be very attentive and inshallah be present in upcoming sessions. And I want you all to just put up a quick lesson recap that we have studied, whatever we had studied in today's class, inshallah. Yes, dear sisters and brothers, I want you all to just put up whatever we have studied in today's class in the chat box now, inshallah. Come on, dear sisters and brothers, please type. It was related to the FX, dear sister, dear brother, alhamdulillah. Yes, it was FX that we had studied. Then what did we study? Yes. What was it that we had gone through? It was green screen effect from the videos, right? We have how to remove the green screen from the videos. Yes, alhamdulillah. Then we have studied something called as the FX. That is nothing but how to add the effects to the particular videos and not to the entire video and more, right? So that was the important aspect, and the green screen thing is itself an important thing, right? So I just want you all to be grasp this concept of green screen videos and the green screen effect and how are you going to convert that. And also this is a major thing, how to convert an image into a PNG. Fine, this is a major thing. If you have an image with any background, blue background, green background, any colored background, yellow colored background, a blue colored background, and anything, a black colored background, anything, you just go to the chroma key, click on the black color, key out the black color or color that is available on the background, and then you will toggle it up, toggle those two things up, and then inshallah you will easily get the PNG format of that. That's all. Okay, and if you have your own logos with the screen, background screen behind it, you just want to remove it, go to the chroma key and remove all of the backgrounds there from there. Okay, so that is the main thing, the only way and the important thing that you all have to remember when you're going to remove the backgrounds from the images or something as such, inshallah. So this was the class for today. I want you all to inshallah learn more of it in tomorrow's class, and inshallah you will be having so much of interesting concepts and topics that you will all learn in tomorrow's class. So be present in tomorrow's session. That would be the text animation or text related session for tomorrow, inshallah. So inshallah we are going to discuss how we are going to extract it for the Quranic tilawa videos or something as such, inshallah. So with the spirit of learning more, inshallah, let's all try to be present in tomorrow's class, and inshallah give this course its due haq, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, dear sisters and brothers. Jazakumullahu khairan kaseera. Assalamu alaikum. Subhanakallahumma bihamdika nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik.